Hello, welcome back to All Things Gumball. Hey, I just saw something funny. Welcome back. Welcome back to All Things Gumball. I can't even speak. All right, so the first place we went to today was a place that's called Flat Glass, and what they do is they create glass for people's houses and things like that. So there's a lot of people inside. The thing is about that place is there's so many people looking and watching, and there's so many employees there. There's a lot of customers there too. And the only reason it's hard to bring the video camera inside is because everyone is examining what you're doing, and they're looking at what you're doing, and they're staring, and they're inquisitive, and they're curious, and these people act like they've never seen someone fill a vending machine before. So they want to come over and they want to investigate. I don't know what they're examining. I don't know what they're hoping to find. People are curious. I guess they just want to learn something. But I know when they come over, they may see the video camera, and then they may think that I'm spying on them or something, that I'm a spy and I'm going to tell their secrets to their competitors or something. So I try not to bring I try to hide the video camera when I bring it over. So, the next place we're at, let me show you another gigantic storage facility. I don't know if you can see that. Lots of trucks, big building, a lot of semi-trucks, and this is a very good location. All right, so this is they call it a cold storage facility. They store fruits and vegetables and things like that. It's a storage place for cold foods and vegetables and things like that. So I'm going to try to bring my video camera in. There's a lot of employees here as well. So there's 2 break rooms, and I may not be able to bring the video camera into the second break room because it's very large and there's a ton of employees that go in and out. This is one of the locations that I have to come to every 30 days or so. All right, time to get back to work. Okay, so the first place we went to was Flat Glass, and it was up in Dallas. And then the second place we came to today is a cold storage facility. The first break room that we went into, I brought in about 60, and the Flat Glass place brought in about 130. So right now we're almost $200 gross, and that doesn't count our expenses. All right, and so there's another break room here. I'm going to go over there, but I probably won't be able to bring the video camera in. There's too many people. There's way too many people that linger in and out of that break room. It almost seems like they don't have any management, because you would think the management would be making these guys do their job, work. I mean, it's almost like everybody's on a break at some time or another. This place also makes you bring a badge or go pick up a badge. So there's a lot of places like that are very private, and they want you to sign in, and there's one place that I go to, I've actually got to bring my birth certificate because it's a federally, it's a federal government business, and they want to make sure that there's no foreigners coming into that building. On to the next location. All right, so I just finished those 3 machines in the second lunch room, the second break room, and it was $195. So let me show you what we've got here. And this is where I keep all the money. And you can see it's almost full. All right, so back in my car. I just wanted to show you the amount of quarters that I got from 2 locations. And I know that this is kind of a rare thing. These last 2 locations that I went to are 2 of my best locations. But I just wanted to share with you and let you know that you can make, that's probably $500 right there, in about 3 hours of work. All right, so as you can see by the numbers here, I am done for the day. All right, I'm done for the day, and I just wanted to let you guys see how much I made for the day. I only worked about 3 hours. I hit 2 locations and brought in $440, as you can see by these receipts. So I want to encourage you guys to do this. You can go out and make a pretty good living with this job. Don't give up on your dreams, right? I hope these videos help you build your vending business and take it to the level that you want to go. I will catch you on another video. Have a good evening, have a good morning, or have a good afternoon. This lady just fell down. She was walking across the sidewalk and she just tripped. She's okay, but it looked funny. Anyway, today we are going on a collection run. We're going to run out and check machines and collect some quarters. So if you guys want to come along, just stay watching. Okay.